Hi, I'm Paula Doyle. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about easy stack quilts, which is the subject of my latest book. There's the cover of what the book is going to look like. It should be out later this year. If I look at the repeat, it's repeated here again. So that is a 12-inch repeat. So again, a factor of 24. So here we have a stack which has 4 different squares, but they're all identical in print, you see. And what you do is you turn the fabrics so that the same point is at the center. And you see that is one of the possible patterns.